Hi everybody, I'm Julie and I am the Whippy Chick and I am back. And if you haven't watched any of these videos from this series yet, let me just fill you in. So I am combining my two favorite hobbies. Number one being crochet and number two being plants. I love both of these things equally. I really do. And so I am taking the love of both and I'm combining them together and getting them all mixed up and bringing you some really fun ideas, whether you're a plant lover or not. Maybe you just want plants around your house that you don't have to water, right? This is gonna help you out a lot. So today I'm talking about snake plants. Now this over here is Peppy. Peppy has gotten really big. He is my oldest plant. He's the plant I've had the longest. I wanna say I've had him about 12 or 13 years. I've had him a very long time. And I also had a dog who was wonderful. I loved my dog very much. But my dog loved Peppy. He loved Peppy so much that he wagged his tail every time he went near Peppy, and he broke off one of his leaves one day. I was a little sad about that, but I took that leaf and I stuck it in water and I left it there for a few months, and before I knew it, it grew some roots. And within one summer, I had this from just one leaf. One leaf. Isn't that amazing? That's why I love plants, because they do things like that. One leaf and it became this amazing plant. And so Peppy has a baby, and I named this baby Willie's Tail, because the reason I have this plant is Willie's tail. Willie's tail did this. All right, so I'm going to put Willie's tail away, and I'm going to show you the great crochet snake plant ideas that I found on Pinterest. Now there is another name for snake plant. I've also heard it called mother-in-law tongue, and I think they call it Sansevieria, but now they've changed it to Dracaena or Dracaena. I'm not sure how to say that. I think it's Dracaena. I don't know. I just know I like them. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the first pattern that I found. I found this one on Pinterest, and I found it also at craftsy.com, and it's absolutely adorable. It's called Crochet and Amigurumi Snake Plant. So Amigurumi Snake Plant is about as descriptive as you can get, I guess, but it is absolutely adorable. I would have thrown in the word adorable because it totally is. So you can have a snake plant without a green thumb, which is so funny because snake plant is the one plant you can have that's a real plant without a green thumb, because they love to be neglected. This is an easy looking pattern. They do list it as an intermediate level, so if you've got a little bit of experience, you shouldn't have any problem at all. The pattern's super easy to find. When you open the link, it just goes right to the pattern. There's no like ads popping in at you. You don't have to go scrolling through. It's just really easy. Really easy to find. I think it's absolutely adorable. I love his little eyes and his little smile. So very cute. Good job, craftsy.com. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so this one, it's just the leaf. girliescrochet.com. It just shows you how to make the snake plant pattern for just the leaf, which is really all there is to the plant, but it would mean that you need to put it in something. I'm thinking that you could maybe wire it to like a piece of foam and put that in an actual plant pot. That might be a good way to do it. This is a free pattern, and again, you go right to the website. You don't really have to scroll down very much. Now in her picture, she has it in like, I don't know, it looks like maybe some crushed gravel or something in the pot, and maybe she's just wedged it in there. I think I would like wire it into something, like I said, like a piece of foam or something like that. But it looks like it's really easy, and if you crochet it tight enough, you probably won't have to add any wire to it, but adding wire to it would make it much stiffer. So yeah, it gives you all of the pattern instructions as well as all of the materials she used. So yeah, go on out, make yourself a plant. I would, if I weren't making videos. Actually, I have found so many ideas that I cannot wait to get started on. I'm gonna have to go buy me some more green yarn, because I'm gonna go through all my green yarn so fast. Okay, everybody, I'm going to put Willie's tail away, and until tomorrow's fabulous idea, have a great day. Bye. Say goodbye, Willie.